I'm Shaji Abraham.
I'm Nalini. I'm working as a spoken English teacher and I also take life skills here in this Bartimaeus Resource Center for the visually impaired. And I'm very happy to work here.
Over here, I learned computers, braille, and a few other skills. I was fortunate to be the second student to learn computer, and I went on to teach computers to the students. Uh, I have taught about more than 50 students. I'm really proud of my achievement. JAWS reader, this screen reader software, that is JAWS, which in fact reads everything on the screen. So as when this visually challenged person boots the computer, when the computer is ready, it says JAWS is ready for Windows, and then it asks the person to type in the password, and like anybody, any sighted person does, he also types in the password and presses enter, and the desktop opens.
I lost my eyes only in the year 1998 and I didn't know how a blind society is. But only after joining here as a student for computers, I came to know about the Society for the Blind. It was really nice to be with the students, and because I was good at my academic, they selected me to be a spoken English teacher. And now I have got 3 years of experience in this institute, and I'm really very happy to be with the students because I can see that they are not less than the sighted people. They can do everything, and in the beginning I was really surprised to know in what fields they are good at. So that made me feel that even I can do something. It was because of them that I drew self-confidence in me, and I learned many things. Though I have pursued my MA in English literature, I have learned many things apart from my education, and really I have a very good time with it.
Especially I don't know how they are, how is their face, and I want to see my face also, how I am. And everybody, even my mother also, sometimes she told me, you're looking so nice. When I dress and when I went to ready, that time she told me, you'll become very nice. So I tell her, no, ma, I don't know where I am, how I am, I don't know. I want to see, when I'll get eyes, that time I want to see my face.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Telling he is Nagendra and he is from Mysore.
ನಾನು 12 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ. 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. ನಾನು SSLC PUC ITC ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಆಸೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಅಂತೇನು ನಮಗೇನು ಕನಿಕರ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಸಂಬಳನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪೆನ್ಷನು ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತೇನು ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು.
He's a family when he's got his parents, his wife and a daughter. So he tells that he needs to maintain his family, and that's the reason instead of maybe the pension is needed for them, but though they have their pensions, if a job is given to them, that would be good.
I'm Ramya. I am from Bangalore. Now I have completed second year PUC. Now I am by birth blind. 10th standard ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗಬೇಕು. ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವು ಬಡವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖುಷಿಯನ್ನು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಫಸ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಮುಖ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಆಸೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀರ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
He is Umesh and he is from Gulbarga. He has completed his second PUC, and he is also blind, but he is partially blind. One more pathetic thing is when the visually impaired go to KSRTC, and if they want to get into some bus, they ask whether they have a pass, and if it is a pass, they just ignore them and take off the bus. And only 3 blind, visually impaired are allowed into one bus. They have some limitation to get into the bus also. So all this just puts them down. They feel that they are not equalized with the sighted people.
Ma'am, they have to see our talent. According to our talent, they have to give job, ma'am. And they have to allow us to do ourselves by using a computer in the examination without having a scribe, ma'am.
The overall suggestion, only 2 words I can say: let them be treated as sighted people, because just because they have lost their vision, including me, just because we have lost the vision, it doesn't mean that we are not human. Because I can find the difference when I was sighted, in what way I was valued, and as a visually impaired, in what way I am valued now. In the sense, it's not that people are putting me down, but with the name of sympathy, with the word of sympathy, they think only sympathy will work out with visually impaired and not empathy. So why don't we get that empathy from them and come out with our talent? And that's what, overall, to say one word, one caption I can give: we don't want sympathy, we want empathy. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ತಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತರಂಗದ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಚೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತೇವೆ. We will rule the world and help them. ಅನುಕಂಪ ಬೇಡ,
ಅವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕು.